Hi everybody, and welcome back to Chets Rental YouTube channel. Today we're going to be showcasing a BOBCAT T190 for sale. This unit is a 2012 with a low hours of 1,273. Units in really good condition in comparison to a lot of other units on the secondary market. I'll go over some benefits and a couple things that need to be redone cosmetically, and then you can make your decision if it's the right tool for you. As you can see, the unit literally has brand new tracks. They've never even been out in the field, and they also have brand new drive gears, so that's a huge advantage to you in a major cost savings. A lot of the units you buy used, replacement tracks are a very expensive cost to pick up. This particular unit, it's got an operating capacity of about 1,900 pounds, operating capacity 50% of tip at 3,642, tipping load at 7283, and I think this thing weighs about just a little bit under 7,800 pounds with a travel speed of about 7.3. It's got quite a bit of nice features on the hydraulic system. You know, we do a lot of auger attachments. We've got brooms that we rent out. We do a lot of snow removal too in the winter time. The auxiliary high flow system is rated at 26.4 gallons per minute. System relief with quick couplers is at about 3250 psi. Overall, these T190s, they measure 101 inches long. Standard bucket width is 130. They rate at about half yard. Bucket width is 68 inches. The height with the operator cab is going to measure out at about 76 inches. And well, you got, what else can I tell you? I can give you a little bit of a cosmetic overview here. You know, Chets as a company does a wonderful job at preventative maintenance, and also we've got scheduled maintenance. So anytime we rent a unit, what we do is we always send it out full of fuel, fully greased, and we always double check hydraulics, engine oil, and service. So when a unit hits so many hours, what we'll do is we will schedule a engine oil change and also a hydraulic. So we always write down the hours corresponding to what needs to happen. So right there is your hydraulic, and right there is your engine oil, so it tells us when it was done last. Overall, the engine is in really good condition, runs fantastic. We always keep our air filters very spot on clean, replace them often. Good batteries. This one does need a backup alarm. The backup alarm is non-functional right now, so that's a pretty insignificant cost in comparison to what a lot of these units run into. The integrity of all of the welds are impeccable on this thing. Great unit, it's been really taken good care of. Hydraulic cylinders, everything's in check and balance, no leaks. Pivot points, all grease bearings, everything has been greased on a regular basis. This unit's got a nice eye bubble, so it'll show you hydraulic. So if you're running low for some reason, you blow a line, it'll indicate how low you are on hydraulics. And it's got the electronic keypad, which we'll go over in a second, plus the quick relief on the buckets. So, you know, BOBCAT as a company offers just a ton of attachments for these. The roll cage, everything is in wonderful condition. It does have some rips in the seat, nothing major, still very functional. Seat belt works great, and roll bar, safety bar, everything is in check and balance. Also headlights on this unit as well that work. So we'll set down and I'll kind of give you a little bit of an overview. So this Bobcat has got the electronic ignition, which is really nice. You do have the availability to change the code at your discretion. To operate the T190, you just simply hit run and enter, and then the keypad is going to fire up, and it's going to ask you for your password. So we often change our passwords. So I'll type in my 4-digit password. Sorry, you can't see this. And then I'll hit enter. And then it'll show me that everything is ready to go. It says press start to run. Now, I'm still locked out right now. It's got a parking brake, electronic parking brake. There's a lot of different features up here. I can either change from feet controls or I can go to hand controls. All I'm going to do right now is unlock my unit. Green light is on, tells me I'm ready to go. I can see how much fuel I have, what my hours are, and a little bit dirty, sorry, what my running temperature is. Very smooth unit. So we're just gonna shut it off. You can actually take out your top plate if you want some ventilation in the summertime. We always recommend leaving them in though, just for over debris, overburden, anything that you're trying to shuffle around. The unit really has a ton of features, and we could talk, no exaggeration, maybe a good 30-40 minutes just on everything. You can always go online to BOBCAT and pull up the operations manual if you want some more in-depth instructions. Your hand controls, you've got all the different toggles if you're running a jackhammer or a broom. There's just a ton of different attachments that you can run on these, and each one of them correlates with whatever you hook up. So overall, that really is our 2012 T190 Bobcat that we're selling. Currently, the unit is listed at $35,000. That's what we're asking. We will entertain all reasonable offers. Give us a call at our Chets Rental Warren, Michigan location at 586-264-2420. That's 586-264-2420, and hopefully we can help you out. Thanks for watching, and we appreciate your business.